Good morning everyone. I hope you all are doing great. So class 7, yesterday we had started exercise 13.3, right? And we have done question number 1, 2 and 4, right? So today we will continue our exercise 13.3 and question number 5. So question number 5 is, a gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. Find the length of the rope he needs to purchase if he makes 2 rounds of fence. Also find the cost of the rope if it costs 4 rupees per meter. So how to find it? What is given here? First of all, it is given that a piece of land is in circular shape, ठीक है? And diameter is given. And when diameter is given, we will easily find out its radius by d by 2, right? By doing d by 2, diameter by 2. Radius we will find out. Then we have to find that how much रोप ही नीड्स टू परचेज, उसे कितने रोप चाहिए, कितना लेंथ ऑफ रोप चाहिए उसे क्या करने के लिए, फेंस करने के लिए. दैट मीन्स फॉर फेंसिंग वी हैव टू फर्स्टली फाइंड आउट द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द सर्कुलर लैंड, राइट. सर्कुलर लैंड जो हमारी है उसे क्या फाइंड आउट करना चाहिए, वी विल फाइंड आउट फर्स्टली द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द सर्कुलर लैंड, ठीक है. बट ही वांट्स टू फेंस इट ट्वाइस, मीन्स 2 राउंड्स, है ना. So that means we have to multiply the perimeter by 2, okay. And it is given here that also find the cost of the rope. If the cost 4 rupees per meter, if the cost of per meter means cost of 1 meter rope is 4 rupees, then we have to find the total cost of fencing. So total cost of fencing. So first of all we have to find here how much the length of rope is needed here, right? How much the length of the rope is needed here, firstly we will find, ठीक है, by find out its perimeter. Then we will multiply the perimeter by 2. Why? Because he takes 2 round, है ना. He fence it by 2 means twice, right? Then we will find out cost easily, right? So look at here, draw the figure. I am drawing, you are also supposed to draw the figure. So class, this is a gardener wants to fence a circular garden. This is a circular garden. What is this? This is a circular garden. This is a circular garden and this is the center of it, and diameter is given. What is given here? The diameter is given. Diameter is 21 meter. Diameter is 21 meter. Diameter is 21 meter. Okay, and if he makes 2 rounds to fence. So class, he wants to fence the circular garden. This is fencing. So for fencing, what we need to find? For fencing हमेशा कहाँ होती है? At the boundary, right? On the boundary. So tell me what we have to find for fencing? We have to find its perimeter, right? Its perimeter, because it is on the boundary. That's why we will find out firstly its perimeter. And it is saying that he makes 2 rounds of fence. How many rounds? He takes 2 rounds. So if he takes 2 rounds, that means we will multiply the perimeter by 2. Okay? So write down the solution here. Solution. Question number 5. So solution number 5. Solution number 5. Firstly, we will write down the diameter of the circular garden. So write down here diameter. Diameter of the circular garden. It is 21 centimeter, right? 21 meter. So what will be the radius? So radius will be 21 by 2 meter, right? 21 by 2 meter. Now we have to find the rope needed to fence it, है ना? So write here length of rope needed to fence the garden. Fence the garden. It is FENCE. Okay, fence. Fence the garden is equal to its perimeter, right? It's equal to its perimeter. So what is the perimeter of circle? Yesterday I have told you, right? What is the perimeter of circle? Yet it's equal to its circumference, that is 2 pi r. So it is equal to 2 pi r. So equal to 2. What is the value of pi? Pi is equal to 22 by 7. So we will put here the value of pi. Value of pi is 22 by 7 and the radius is 21 by 2. Radius is 21 by 2. So we will write here 21 by 2. Now 7 ones are 7. 7 threes are 21. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. That means 22 multiplied by 3. Board is visible? I think it's visible now, right? So it is 22 multiplied by 3. So it will be 66 meter. 66 meter. So perimeter of the circle is 66 centimeter, but he needs to fence. He need to take 2 round, है ना? So 2 round उसे लेना है. So that means we should multiply perimeter by 2. So write down here. He makes 2 round of fence. So total length of wire to take total length of wire to make 2 round. Right? Equal to, we will multiply the perimeter by 2. So it is 2 into 66 meter. That is 66 to the 6 to the 12, 6 to the 12 and 13. 132 meter. 132 meter. Okay? That means total wire, how much wire he need? He need 132 meter wire. Okay? But it is given that the cost of 1 meter wire is 4 rupees. Then we have to find the total cost. So total cost, that means 132 wire. So 132 meter will be multiplied by 4. Okay. So write down here cost of 1 meter wire. 1 meter wire is 1 meter rope. 1 meter rope. It's not wire, it's rope. So cost of 1 meter rope is rupees 4 and we have to find the cost of 132 meter rope. It is 4 multiplied by 132. 132. So it will be 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, carry 1, 4 1s are 4 and 1, 5. Rupees 528. 528 rupees. ठीक है, तो cost of rope will be 528 rupees. Okay. So write down the answer. I am writing here. Write down the answer. The cost of the rope. Cost of the rope will be rupees 528. Okay class? So this question is done. Is it clear? Any doubt? Any doubt in this question? If you have any doubt, you can feel free to ask me. Okay class? So next question is question number 6. The next question is question number 6. So I am rubbing the board. Question number 6. Note down question number 6. solution number 6. So it is saying that if the circumference of a circle exceeds its diameter by 30 centimeter, then find the radius of the circle. That means circumference of the circle exceed means circumference of the circle is more than its diameter. How much more than? 30 centimeter more than. Okay? That means circumference is more than 30 centimeter of its diameter. So you have to find the radius of the circle. So we all know that what is the formula of the circumference? Circumference formula is 2 pi r, right? So 2 pi r. And what is diameter? In the terms of radius? In the terms of radius we can write 2r, right? Diameter we can write it 2r na? In the terms of radius. So diameter is equal to 2r. So it is saying that 2 pi r is greater. 2 pi r is greater than 2r means radius by 30 centimeter. By 30 centimeter means if we find the difference of circumference and diameter, it will be equal to 30. It will be equal to 30 centimeter. Got it or not? Means दो चीजें हैं. It is circumference. It is diameter. So diameter क्या है? Diameter भी circumference के क्या होता? Equal होता. अगर 30 सेंटीमीटर क्या ना होता? अगर circumference ज़्यादा ना होता. That means their difference is 30 centimeter. Okay? So from here we will find out the radius. Okay? Everybody knows about the value of pi. Value of pi is 22 by 7. So let's start the solution. So write down here that circumference. So we will write C for circumference. Okay? Circumference is 2 pi r. Circumference is 2 pi r and diameter is given. Small d is 2r. Small d is 2r. And now according to quotient ATQ. ATQ means according to quotient. According to quotient it is given that circumference is 30 more than the diameter. That means the difference between circumference and diameter is 30. Okay? And we will put the value of C. C is 2 pi r and diameter is 2r and both the difference is equal to 30 centimeter. Now 2r and 2r is common, right? Class, look at here. It is 2 pi r and it is 2r. So 2r and 2r is common in both the terms, right? So we will take common 2r. So what is left here? 2 and r. तो चला गया बाहर. Only pi is left. Only pi is left here. Minus 2r is common. So only 1 is left here. 1. Pi minus 1 is equal to 30. Is equal to 30 centimeter. Now 2r. Put the value of pi. Pi is equal to 22 by 7. So we will write here 22 by 7 minus 1. It is 30 centimeter. 2r. 22 by 7. तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? 22 minus 7. 22 minus 7 is 15 by 7. It will be 15 by 7. Everybody knows now how to subtract the fraction. Everybody knows now how to subtract 22 by 7 from 22 by 7 minus 1 means 7 ones are 7. So 22 minus 7 is 15 and upon 7. So it will be 15 upon 7 equal to 30 centimeter. Now we will transpose all the numbers to the right hand side. Only r is left here. So here is 30. Look at here. This 2 is in multiplication, right class? So when we transpose here, it will become in division. So it will be 2. Divide by 2, right? And 15 by 7, when we transpose it to right hand side, it will become 7 by 15. It will become 7 by 15. It's 15 by 7 and when it transpose to right hand side, it will become 7 by 15. 2 ones are 2, 2 15s are 30, right? 15 ones are 15 and 15 ones are 50. What is left? Only 7 is left. So value of I is equal to 7 centimeter. Value of R equal to 7 centimeter. We have to find the radius. So radius is 7 centimeter. I don't think this is tough. It's very easy, right class? There is no confusion. Circumference minus diameter is given, that is 30. We put the value of circumference and diameter, then we solve it and we find that r is equal to 7 centimeter. This is enough for today class. So write down your homework and solve all these questions which I have done on the board. You have to do it in fair notebook, okay? Your homework is do question number 7 and 8 in practice copy. Okay? So write down the homework. I am writing here homework. Do question number 7 and 8. 7, 8 of exercise 13.3 of exercise 13.3 in practice copy. This is your homework. Okay class? So class, if you feel any doubt, you can feel free to ask me. Okay? Bye everyone.